Click on the link below to get price. The Portable Inverter Generator 2500W gas-powered is an impressive piece of machinery designed for outdoor enthusiasts and those in need of reliable power on the go. This generator strikes a commendable balance between portability and performance, making it an excellent choice for camping trips, tailgating, or emergency backup power. One of the standout features of this generator is its powerful 2500 watt output, which provides ample energy for essential devices like lights, small appliances, and even a refrigerator when camping. The inverter technology ensures clean and stable power, safeguarding sensitive electronics such as laptops and smartphones from damage. This is a significant advantage over conventional generators, which can produce inconsistent outputs. Ease of use is another strong point. The generator has a straightforward control panel with clearly labeled outlets and switches, making it user-friendly even for those who are not technically inclined. The compact design and lightweight construction allow for easy transport, fitting comfortably in the trunk of a car or in a camping trailer. The long runtime is particularly noteworthy. With a tank capacity that supports extended use, users can enjoy hours of uninterrupted power, which is crucial during a camping trip where access to electricity is limited. The fuel efficiency of this generator means less time spent refueling and more time enjoying the great outdoors. Noise levels are surprisingly low for a gas-powered generator. Unlike traditional models that can be quite loud, this inverter generator operates quietly, making it suitable for use in campgrounds where noise restrictions may apply. Despite its many strengths, the portable inverter generator is not without drawbacks. It may struggle with powering larger appliances simultaneously, which is something to keep in mind if you have multiple high-wattage devices. However, for most camping needs, it delivers exceptional performance. Overall, this generator is a reliable companion for outdoor adventures, combining efficiency, portability, and performance in a compact package.